na nituracokia ngatho muno nginya kwi professionalism ya andu a IEBC na wira uria maruta ni marora maundu mothe certificates na maratathi na nimona nitukinyeirie gukorwo niturarugama giti kia governor wa Kirinyaga County. Koguo ore ngiuga ni riu niturambiriria campaign officially na twinama ni undu Ngai ena ithui ati giti giki kia governor wa Kirinyaga County gikuoyo ni UDA na governor wa Kirinyaga agukorwo governor minji nema twari tuete deputy governor ugi no ni arekorirwo eheria kuma muthenya ucio na arauga ni arenda kuruta wira ungi o guku county ine na ni mukuona tukinyitanira ni undu wa kaundu kamwe kana kaundu kangi ni akamera ni akumwira mwenyewe na ndiretikira na turakorwo tukoretwo na mubango ucio wa gucenjia running mate ono twinake aumite Mutithi mwena wa Mwea na andu a Mwea mari oho o uria turabangite no ucio ungi kwina kawira karia arenda gukorwo akiruta koguo ni kwina uria twibangite mwena ucio kuri aria marakoretwo makiuga tutigukorwo ho tukumera gukoragwo na Ngai matuini na Ngai niwo tukinyagiria no muthi ni makumenya ni gukoragwo na Ngai na nie ngoragwo wa Ngai kwina wira muingi muno utarikite kwina mawira turarutaga na ti wothe ukoretwo urikite koguo haria tukinyite ta thoko twakite 15 turenda guthie nginya 25 kwi kundu takinyite bara kwina kundu tutakinyitie project cia mai twikite 66 no kwina kuria tutakinyite na kwina kuria twina phase 2 warora mwena wa thibitari twakite health center 20 no tutirikitie ni undu turenda gukorwo nginya every location ina health centers kana dispensary koguo wira uria twinaguo no to uria turutite miaka ino 5 niguo turekererie Kirinyaga ikorwo irahwana ta Singapore.
And in clearing the candidates, I want to say that we have cleared 8 governors of the 8 aspirants that we had. And then for the women rep, we have cleared 6 out of the 10 aspirants that we had. And finally, for the senators, we have cleared 8 out of the possible 9. So this time round, they were very knowledgeable. They were very inquisitive about the process. And it has been smooth and flawless. The law allows for a governor to change a running mate on 3 conditions. 1, death. 2, code of conduct. And thirdly, if the running mate himself or herself resigns and says, I do not want to run. So the law allows the governor to actually change.
Was there a time frame as to when you should have resigned?
So long as you've not been nominated, the window is still open. To register candidates, ikoretwo iri miega, ni ikoretwo iri smooth, na nitwenda kumacokeria ngatho muno tondu ni maroragia ciuria nyingi muno na magoka guku IEBC nigetha mataro na mahote kuheo direction mwerekeo nigo ndingiuga koguo governors aria othe marenda kuvai othe ni matwika approved na riu ni candidates koguo riu mubira wi mwena wa voter rari requirement ya mbere no muhaka maturehere campaign mutaratara wa campaign no mareheri ni tuikaraga thi ta IEBC tukahota kurora niko kwina clash yani andu eri marenda gukorwo handu hamwe at the same time koguo tuikaraga thi na tukahota kumatara na kumera mundu umwe aga compromise agathie kundu kungi